Hi, Blair Gilbert here for MrHardware.com and Gilbert's Pro Hardware in St. Clair Shores, Michigan. And here I'm going to talk about having a secondary discharge for your backup pumps. And here is why. In this condo complex where they got over $10,000 water bill, we have a water backup pump. We have the original pump that's on a quiet check valve, and it all plumbs out in one system. It goes to a drainage system that no one can see. What happened is the electric pump failed. They did not have a secondary electric pump. They did not have a water alarm. The water backup pump ran up a $10,000 water bill, because this is in a condo complex. No one really cares. The water is being paid for. And as that pump ran, it ran invisibly into the system. I push all of my customers that when they put in a secondary pump, I really try to get them to punch a secondary hole in the wall of their house, run it out on a gutter so it runs across the patio or runs across the sidewalk, so when their secondary backup pump runs, that water flows outside, is visible to you and your neighbors that something is wrong in your house. All of a sudden there's a ton of water pouring out on the ground. What could it be? That will alarm people that something has gone wrong, which in this case is the primary electric pump has failed. We're on secondary pump. It's time to fix the primary pump that's gone bad. So you need to, whenever you possibly can, run your secondary output onto a separate discharge, onto a visible area in your yard. Save yourself tons of money, tons of grief, plus now you have a good visual that your primary pump has failed. This is a money-saving tip from MrHardware.com.